Let's speak of the Prime Minister now, because a massive announcement that has been made by the Prime Minister this morning, and this is coming in as a nuke policy rewrite, opening up India's nuke sector. And this announcement is coming in from the Prime Minister, no less, saying that we will open up India's nuke sector private, as private players are now open when it comes to India's nuke sector soon. An atomic energy bill is likely to come up in the winter session.
हम एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सेक्टर में भी कदम उठाने जा रहे हैं। हम न्यूक्लियर सेक्टर को भी ओपन करने की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। इस सेक्टर में भी हम प्राइवेट सेक्टर की सशक्त भूमिका की नींव रखने जा रहे हैं। इससे स्मॉल मॉड्यूलर रिएक्टर, एडवांस रिएक्टर्स और न्यूक्लियर इनोवेशन में अवसर बनेंगे। यह रिफॉर्म हमारी एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी और टेक्नोलॉजिकल लीडरशिप को नई शक्ति देगा।
Well, Pragya, this is big as far as the Prime Minister's announcement that has now been made, talking of opening of nuclear sector to private sector soon, and this will, however, strengthen opportunities, especially when it comes to small modular and advanced reactors and nuclear innovations as well.
Amita, absolutely a very big reform, I would say, and this is democratization of the space sector. Prime Minister has himself declared that there is going to be opening up of the space sector for private parties as well. Today, he has also launched Vikram-1, which is also country's first private, technology-based space sector that will give more of the launch more of the satellite in the orbits, and in fact, it is low on cost. Obviously, there will be, independence as far as space sector is concerned. The strategy as far as the communication devices are concerned, it is also going to get a boost, if we have more Make in India privately, Make in India startups in India on the space sector. And all of that has been, spoken by Prime Minister today while doing that. And in fact, what we are also given to understand that as far as this privatization of the space sector, opening it for the private players.
Let me just get in the experts on the broadcast. Retired Major General Rajan Kochhar is connected with us. Sir, good morning to you. Like the space sector, can the same kind of work be replicated in nuclear energy also, sir? Because this is what the Prime Minister's announcement came in, saying that when we open the doors, talent and capital rushed in. The same will happen in nuclear once we create the right policy environment. Kochhar, sir?
Hello.
Sir, good afternoon. Can you hear me? All right, as we get in the experts there to give their point of view, because this is a big statement that has come in from the Prime Minister, saying that as we open the space sector and saw explosive growth, over 300 startups, billions in private investment, global recognition. Now, this is something that the government is preparing similar historic reforms when it comes to nuclear energy as well, to replicate in nuclear energy, saying that when we open the doors, talent and capital rushed in, and the same will happen in nuclear once we create the right policy environment. This is a big statement that has been made this morning by the Prime Minister.
हम एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सेक्टर में भी कदम उठाने जा रहे हैं। हम न्यूक्लियर सेक्टर को भी ओपन करने की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। इस सेक्टर में भी हम प्राइवेट सेक्टर की सशक्त भूमिका की नींव रखने जा रहे हैं। इससे स्मॉल मॉड्यूलर रिएक्टर, एडवांस रिएक्टर्स और न्यूक्लियर इनोवेशन में अवसर बनेंगे। यह रिफॉर्म हमारी एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी और टेक्नोलॉजिकल लीडरशिप को नई शक्ति देगा।
Well, big statement coming in from the Prime Minister announcing plans to open domestic nuclear sector now to private players.